Hello from Slovenia again. We will do a flower today, reverse flower dip with the napkin. I'm kind of... I go to United States at the end of this week. I will have an exhibition on 16th, 17th and 18th in New Hope, Pennsylvania, and I'm teaching a class on 15th in New Hope. So, it's getting totally real. I have butterflies in my stomach because I'm nervous and excited at the same time, scared. I don't like to fly. I'm more comfortable in my home, in my studio. I'm not a very, outgoing person. Yeah, you know that if you know me. So today I will do a reverse flower dip, and I will do just some circles of flowers. So we will transform some circles of paint with the napkin lift to a beautiful flower, hopefully. And I have olive green deep, olive green light, I have gold, carmine red, permanent red, violet, black, and of course my pearl white. And I already poured some white for the base. So what I want first is greenery. So I will just add some dark green and light olive green here around. All will go in kind of circles, and I believe that we will spin that out later a little bit, but we will see. Just, it's not that you have to draw something perfect, but when I do that, I try to imagine what will happen when I will lift my napkin. So yeah, but it's not hard. Okie doke. Now I will put a little bit of gold here for the middle, and I will just go with circles around. I will spray my paper napkin Nera with water to soften my napkin a little bit. Don't need to do that. You can do with the plastic, with the dry napkin, your preference. And I will place this in the middle of my canvas. And the other half, I prefer napkin because it's easy to avoid air pockets underneath. Okay, oop, my napkin starts to tear. This is not a good sign, but have to work with what I have now. We'll gather all those corners, wrap it, and lift the napkin. Not a lot of reaction. Surprised. Where is my pearl white reaction? I will definitely pour some white around here and spin it out. I just camouflaged this a little bit, and I don't mind that it's not centered, so let's do that. I don't mind if I will have a little leftovers, but I need to cover these corners and the places where I don't have, because otherwise the paint will spin out unevenly. Now it's uneven kind of thing, so I will start slow and see what will happen. Like, like what is happening. So I think that I will stop here. Yeah. I like it. I wish for a little less black, but let's see how this one will dry, because I think that it will be kind of cute. And I'm planning to do one on a black background and not using black in the flower, and we will see how they will be different. So let me take you down for a close-up. I think that she looks quite beautiful if you think that we had just some circles of paint and a paper napkin. I really do like it, so yeah. I will, as I said, I will do one on the black too for my next video on Wednesday. I'll have to film some videos before I go to my journey, artistic journey to Pennsylvania, so I will show the dried results of both of them on my Wednesday video. So if you like that one, make sure that you will check my Wednesday video too, to see how it looks on the black background without black in the flower. So thanks for being here. Come to Pennsylvania if you want to, or how can I say, and see you again on the next video. Bye.